Alright, last box of eBay junk. Let's see what I bought. I have no idea what the... Well, it sounded like a case bounced on the ground, so... That definitely sounds like a motor case. Yeah, if I had to guess, that's a motor case. Or half a motor case. Sportster. Definitely not the big twin. I'm going to guess it's the left side, because it's got the studs in there for the motor mount to go through. That'd be my guess. Alright, let's see what we got here. A little plastic. Figure out what the other box comes in at. There's the box over here. Yeah, turn that out, see here. Nope, right side case. I don't know why they have a big hump on there for. There's nothing. There's no reason not to fold that down flat. I have no idea what humped up in the middle. That was kind of weird. Well, here's where the stud holes are sticking through. And the studs. So we can get this box on this edge here. It'll open up, which it probably won't. Okay. We'll get in there. There we go. Oh, look what I found. Right side motor case. A lot of good plastic here. Like taking her panties off. Alright. Let's see what we got down here. Enough layers of that on there? That is dirty. Ooh, that's a good part. I like that. That's good shit there. Well, I know exactly what that's going to go on to. That is a nice part. That's the best part I've got in a long time. It looks like a pile of crap. It is, but it's very valuable. Alright, so this is a K model. And it has an issue with the transmission. So same thing I did on my single. I pulled the whole half of the case right apart. Yeah, did that taking up in the back of the truck one day. Didn't race that day. So this is a racing case. It's got ball bearings in here. So, but it's not cut out for the ball bearing over here. So it looks like it's a civilian case. It's modified to be a racing case would be my guess. Yeah, there should be something more here for a ball bearing holding. Okay, so this is a street case, so I'm not as happy now. Yeah. But it's been modified. Someone was using racing cams on this thing. It's a 52, not a 52R, but I don't know if they had a 52R case. I know they had a 55R stuff. Yeah, if it was a genuine Harley, it would have 52R. It would not have a secret number on it either. This is a street bike. It's got secret numbers on it. So this is a modified street bike case, so it's not as good as I thought it was. It's not a racing part. So, see, it's 555 2063. So it's a 55 case. So it's actually a KH case, but it's the same starting point as a K model, which is 52 and 53. So I thought it was a KR case because sell the ball bearings, but it's not KR. It's a KH case that's modified. Either way, they blew the top of the tranny off, which is a repairable situation. And it looks like they had some issues in here before, and they definitely did something different here inside. They put some kind of a ball bearing in here, kind of kind of stuff I was doing on my single cylinder race bike. If you go look at the videos of that, you'll see that. So this has been worked on, and then they blew it up again. They were definitely racing this bike. It was a race bike. Blown up race bike, but it was a race bike. So that's what this motor mount laying. Where did I put that motor mount? There's my motor mount over here. Right here. There's a K-motor motor mount, cast iron. That's what I use on my race bike. They don't break. I've never seen a broken one of these. I've seen butchered ones, but I've never seen broken ones. So that goes right in there like that. It goes right like that. Got a bolt there, and what's nice about these is there's another bolt over here. See, that's why this did not blow this top corner out, because this bolt was holding this together. It's like a stud girdle on a car. It holds the tranny together. I did the same thing on my single cylinder bike. It only came with this. I yanked the whole corner out. So when I put this motor mount in that bike, I've never broken that case again. And I drive it hard. So that's the advantage of these old cast iron mounts. The XL Sportsters, they ran the same mount, but it was aluminum, so they break. They break quite a bit. There's probably one of those floating around over here. Well, there's another cast iron one right there. And there's a cast iron one right here. This was all nice and black, parkerized, because it's a really good one. Got all rusty though, sitting around. Aluminum ones are up here. Of course, I can't see what's up there. There's probably some aluminum ones up there if you're looking at the double bolt version. I can't see, but I will. Anyway, you get the idea. I use these for welding support. They work good for that. Got a whole box up there for using for that purpose. So here's the stock parkerized finished mount, but like I said, this one got all rusty. Flood damage, pissed me off. It's hard to duplicate original finishes unless you pay a lot of money. I'm cheap. I just blast them and paint it black. So anyway, that's what goes on here. That's why the case is not broken completely through here. So I have a 68, 69 KRTT road race bike, Daytona bike, and I am missing the right case. So I was hoping this was the right case for that, but it isn't. But that doesn't mean I won't use it because it's already set up for ball bearings. But I don't remember what they did in here for supporting the self-aligning ball bearing in here stock. There should be something to hold it in, like clips or something. That's not here, so I'm not sure how we'd make the main bearing work. So still on the hunt for a KR right side case. So thought I had one. That ain't it. But it's still a good case to work from, and you can run a Sportster lower end on this, and then run the KR cams and all that stuff in it. And the KR cylinders if you wanted to, or cage cylinders, it'll haul ass. So it'll be a good strong run motor either way. Got to fix a hole though. It's got a little bit of a leak right there, but that's repairable. All right, there you go. 55 KHK blown up tranny.